When you wash your car, or when rain dries on it, you may see marks called water spots. These spots are left behind because water carries minerals and dirt that stay after the water is gone. Thankfully, here are some simple and easy ways to remove water spots. The first step is always a proper wash. Use a good car shampoo and clean microfiber mitt. Rinse the car with plenty of water to loosen dirt, then wash gently. This helps remove light water spots before they stick too strongly. Always dry the car with a clean microfiber towel to stop new spots from forming. Vinegar is one of the most effective home remedies for water spots. Mix equal parts of white vinegar and distilled water in a spray bottle. Spray the solution on the spotted area and let it sit for a few minutes. Wipe it off with a microfiber towel, then rinse with clean water. This is safe for the clear coat when done carefully. A clay bar is designed to remove bonded contaminants from your car's surface. After washing the car, spray a clay lubricant on the water-spotted area. Rub the clay bar gently over the surface in straight lines. The clay lifts away minerals and dirt that regular washing cannot remove. After this, the clear coat feels smooth and looks shiny. Always knead and fold the clay bar often to expose a clean side for the best results. If the water spots are etched into the clear coat, you may need a polishing compound. Apply a small amount of polish on a polisher machine. Rub it in small circular motions over the spots. The compound removes a very thin layer of clear coat, taking away the etched marks. Always follow with a coat of wax or sealant to protect the surface. Finish by buffing the area gently for a smooth, glossy shine. There are many products made to remove water spots. They are stronger than home remedies and safe for cars. Just follow the instructions, usually spray and wipe. These products work fast and remove tough spots easily. If the water spots are new and light, a quick detail spray can do the trick. Spray it on the surface and wipe with a microfiber towel. This method is useful right after washing or rain, before the minerals harden. It also adds shine to your car while cleaning. Prevention is just as important as removal. Once you have cleaned the water spots, apply a good quality car wax or paint sealant. This creates a protective layer on top of the clear coat, making it harder for water spots to stick in the future. Regular waxing keeps the car shiny and easier to clean. With a little care and effort, your car will stay spotless and glossy for a long time. Regular cleaning also protects the paint and keeps your car looking new.